and I'm going to keep this short because I did a long video on the pudding version of my liquid collagen. I have removed all powdered collagens from my pantry, and although I used to recommend them, I noticed a big difference with this liquid collagen because you actually absorb way more of it than the powder. We really don't absorb that much of the powder into our system, and for the price of those tubs, it's really not worth it. But this, I noticed a change in my skin, and I also noticed a difference in inflammation in my joints. So this is Biocell. The bottles, you might see them in a different color, like a brown or black, but the white is just for the holiday. There's a sale until the 27th. But let me tell you about it, and then you'll hear more about the sale, because liquid Biocell is what I take once a day. Now, I did a huge video on the other liquid collagen called Trim, and that is a fat burner. It has CLA in it, which is a fat metabolizer. Both of them contain collagen, so I have a tablespoon of each. These are all the same, except they prioritize a little bit more on sport, on skin. Just a regular pure one has, if you're competing, this has a slightly less sugar, I believe. And then Life is just general collagen. They're all good. I rotate them all. I think of them all as the same. They all taste a little bit different. Which one did I just finish? I saved the bottle to show you, but I think Sport is the one that tastes like berry. But again, it's one swig a day. And because the process of making it is hydrolyzed, you absorb it. So I wouldn't waste my money on powders anymore. These are gluten-free, I believe sugar-free, great for keto. So it says it improves skin's hydration, it improves eyes, nails. Let me show you my nails. I just ripped off fake nails and filed them down because they're just getting like too long. Usually they break before they even grow. My hair's growing good, but more importantly, your joints, your gums, your eyes. Collagen helps the older you get. And I also got some for my dog. So I normally don't buy a 4-pack, but I got the 4-pack because I got a bunch of putting little packets free with it. I'm gonna get some for my dog's joints, even though he's just a puppy, because I believe in the power of collagen. Inflammation is what causes disease, and anytime you can reduce that and help your skin and help your knees and your hips and your joints, I'm all for it. So liquid collagen is the way to go. I am gonna leave you a code because after I just bought it randomly, I asked for one because I've bought it so many times since then, and I tell all my friends anyway because so many people ask me what collagen I take. So I was like, I might as well get you, I think it's a $10 off code. And right now for Black Friday, there's all kinds of free things that come with it. Like I get their coffee, and I got a free tumbler, I got a free spoon to measure this out. So you can watch the longer video on YouTube. You don't have to use it. It'll help me out if you do. Support my puppy Zai and I, or just try it for yourself and see, just on the website. Either way, I just want to tell you my recommendation and let me know if you enjoy it.